my back, break 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 my back. That's a right. 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 Break 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 my back. You keep trying, but you fighting too long. Had you been looking for some, oh Lord, thought with on me, I keep running back for so long. You know I be that right slow, let me like bro, baby I slow, turn your light slow. Oh baby, oh, no you gon' let me know, no, 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 no. You gon' make me feel like the heat back, you coming by me like. You don't even talk that easy. Bring it heat, baby. See how I sleep, yeah. Everyone on this earth sleep. Ooh. Everyone on this earth trying to make things make sense. Save me. Let's just make. Silent to me, it's true fast. You know I be that right slow. Let me like bro, baby I slow. Turn your lights slow. Oh baby, oh, you gon' let me know, let me know. You gon' make me feel like the heat back when you coming by me like. You don't even talk that easy. Bringing heat back, see how I sleep, yeah. Everyone on this earth sleep, ooh. Everyone on this earth sleep, trying to make things make sense. Save me, just make it.
And guys, this is the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed watching. I know that a lot of you guys are my followers from TikTok. I think I put my lashes on backwards because I feel like my lashes to a certain extent don't match, and I think that's because the inner corners are on the outside. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope that you learned something. I'm gonna have lots of more videos coming soon. Make sure you click the link tree down below in the description box. Follow me on my Instagram. We are on a journey to 100k. We're on 30k right now. We're on a journey to 100k, so come and join the family. Those of you that are here from TikTok, please leave a comment down below and put a crown emoji so I know how many of you are from TikTok. I would like to see how many of you guys have come to watch this from TikTok. So if you watch this from TikTok, please leave a crown emoji down below. Love you so much. Thank you for tuning in, and bye-bye.